I have a saying, F you until you're told to FO. So what do I mean? Well, with every potential client, every potential lead that you have, you should have some follow-up contact strategy in place until they say to you, Craig, will you never ever call me again? That's what I mean by following up, F you, until you're told to FO, F off. At some stage, that potential client who made the initial inquiry will take out a mortgage or will take out some protection. Just because they couldn't or didn't do it right now doesn't mean that they won't do at some stage in the future. And when they do, they need to think of you. So how do you make that happen? So this is your contact strategy. And it is quite simple. In most client situations, you must have a contact plan, a forward booked task to reach out to that potential client once again. Once that task is done, there's another task forward booked. It doesn't really matter what the client situation is. They could be saving for a deposit. They could be wanting to get that CCJ off the credit file. They could be waiting on that promotion that they're going to get a pay increase to mean that they could borrow more. Those clients who haven't found a property yet all will need help and support and a mortgage at some stage in the future. When those milestones happen, they need to think of you. The only way they're going to do that is having a contact strategy plan, a forward book task, a call, an email, a text, whatever that is, there is something forward booked. Why should you do this? Well, it helps build trust. It helps build your brand. It builds loyalty with that client. If you don't do it, someone else will, or they'll be thinking about somebody else when they need that product that you can offer advice on. So why would you not do it? Well, I get it's time consuming. It's easiest to focus on the quick wins. And there are easier wins out there. You've got new leads coming in and it's a bit of hard work. However, it's a great feeling when you sign up a client that you've been speaking to for the last 2 years who have finally saved for that deposit and able to afford that house that they've always dreamed of, and you've helped them get there. That will create loyalty and you will have a client for life. For me, I F you until I'm told to FO. What is your contact strategy process?